Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OHRP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look that much stronger? Well, if the price can stay up above this line right here at 31 cents, that would definitely be a huge sign of power. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 31, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above 31 cents, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be down here at the bottom of this consolidation area, and that sits at approximately 27 cents. So 31, 27 are going to be the two near-term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at things from a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price can stay above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying up above 31 cents would be great. However, from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price stays above that purple line, the bulls are 100% in control of the chart. In terms of levels of resistance, I'm not even going to touch on that because in my opinion, I don't want to say resistance levels don't matter, but what really matters right now for me, especially after such a big move, is now just going through some healthy consolidations and building higher bases. As long as higher bases are being built over longer periods of time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on building higher lows, healthy consolidations, and then you can just sit back and let the trend build itself. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.